Hello guys, review smartphone Oppo A96. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Look completion. In completion we have protected back cover on this, and in box adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, good completion. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED. On the front side 6.6-inch display. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and had volume keys, volume buttons. On this side power key. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have Full HD Plus resolution LTPS matrix display, 90 Hz. Open settings. About phone we have Color OS version 11.1 and Android 11. Look under the benchmark and Geekbench results. Geekbench first, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 CPU, 4+4 cores, GPU Adreno 610. These results. And GPU test results, close this. Run under the benchmark. Look into the benchmark results. Under the benchmark, OK. Close this. Games. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Diablo Immortal on the low graphic level. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Okay, Real Racing works on the medium graphic level. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.